In this video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to a website. Start by signing into your Calendly account and making sure you have at least one event type created. Once your event is ready, click Share and copy your Calendly scheduling link. Next, decide how you want to add Calendly to your website. The simplest option is to add a button or text link that directs visitors to your Calendly booking page. Paste your scheduling link into the button or link settings on your website. If your website builder supports custom code, you can also embed Calendly directly on a page. In Calendly, select Add to Website and choose the embed option you prefer, such as an inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Copy the embed code provided by Calendly. After that, paste the code into your website's custom HTML or embed element and save your changes. Then publish or update your website. Now visit the live page and test the booking experience. Make sure the Calendly widget loads correctly and that visitors can schedule appointments without any issues. Finally, complete a test booking to confirm that appointments are being added to your connected calendar and that confirmation emails are being sent properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Calendly to a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.